Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cordless polisher is probably one of the most sought-after tools for car enthusiasts and DIYers alike, offering unparalleled convenience and control for achieving a professional-grade shine on your vehicles and other surfaces. This cordless marvel eliminates the hassle of tangled cords, allowing you to effortlessly maneuver around curves and intricate details, ensuring a flawless finish every time. From tackling minor scratches and swirl marks to applying wax and sealant, this versatile tool is a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their detailing game. Number 5. BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer. Say hello to effortless car detailing. This cordless buffer is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for anyone. Its high-impact ABS shell and powerful, all-copper motor ensure a quiet and long-lasting performance. It's a superior alternative to traditional power polishers. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's incredibly portable and easy to store. The 5mm random orbit ensures a smooth, even finish on any painted surface. It comes with two 2.0Ah batteries and a fast charger, allowing for uninterrupted use. Swap out batteries quickly and keep working without delays. Never be caught off guard. The 3-color LED indicator keeps you informed about the battery level, ensuring you always know when to recharge. With 6 adjustable speed settings, 2500 to 5000 RPM, it's perfect for all your waxing, sealing, and polishing needs. Easily adjust the speed to match your task. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for those new to car detailing. The dual batteries ensure you never run out of power mid-job. If you're a beginner looking for a convenient and efficient polisher, this is the one for you. What people say. BATOCA cordless polisher works well and the batteries last plenty long to charge one while using the other. I buffed my entire 19-foot boat on 3 charges. I like that it's quiet, light, easy to handle and small enough to work around contours, fittings and other odd places. It is easy to use, so much easier than the corded tools. Battery life is great also. I polished a 5-door hatchback and still had decent charge left in the second battery when I finished. The form fit to your hand is excellent and the performance great for both my vehicles and motorhome. I polished out a Ford Escape on 1 battery with power left over, so battery power and life is really good. It comes with good accessories. Number 4. SPTA 18V Cordless Car Polisher. Say hello to effortless car detailing. This cordless polisher gives you the freedom to work anywhere, anytime. It features a high-performance brushless motor for efficient polishing with low noise. 7 variable speeds let you tackle any job with precision. 2 4.0Ah batteries provide over 60 minutes of runtime, ensuring you can complete even the largest detailing projects. The hook and loop backing plate makes switching pads a breeze. It's perfect for cars, boats, and even household surfaces. Lock buttons and a convenient switch ensure safe and controlled operation. The dual-action rotation prevents holograms for a flawless finish. It comes with everything you need: multiple polishing and wool pads, a charger, and even microfiber cloths. Get ready to achieve professional-level results. Backed by a 6-month warranty and dedicated customer service, it's a smart investment for any car enthusiast. What we like. This polisher boasts a powerful motor for efficient polishing and a long-lasting battery for extended use. It's also incredibly versatile, suitable for various surfaces beyond just cars. If you need a powerful and versatile tool for multiple projects, this is your best bet. What people say. It is well balanced and has adequate power. It is also pretty quiet even compared to my corded polisher. The power seems better than the corded version, with much less stalling. Having a second battery is nice, especially if you have a lot of correcting to do. Surprisingly, for the exception of the on-off button, I love this machine. The same as Griot Garage in my opinion. Extra, it's come with things like pads, fiber cloth and sandpaper, so useful. Number 3. Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Kit. This cordless buffer is far more convenient than traditional corded models. No more struggling with cords, just pure polishing power. It boasts a powerful motor reaching up to 4500 RPM, making quick work of swirls and scratches. Perfect for professionals and beginners alike. Weighing in at just 3 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver. Take it anywhere you need to polish. 221V batteries provide ample power, and a fast charger ensures minimal downtime. No more worrying about battery life. With 6 adjustable speeds and multiple attachments, it's perfect for various surfaces and tasks. From cars to furniture, it handles it all. The 8mm random orbit ensures a swirl-free finish, and the Velcro design makes changing pads a breeze. Get professional results with ease. What we like. It offers a powerful motor for quick and effective results, saving you valuable time. The numerous attachments allow you to tackle various detailing tasks. If you value speed and efficiency in your car care routine, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The 6 variable speeds are gradual and smooth. Attaching pads, sandpaper, and batteries is easy. 2 batteries is a must and this has them. Works so well. It comes with 2 batteries which I'm grateful for. The buffer has 6 settings and does the job I needed it to do. The fingertip speed control and low noise output is great. It comes with 2 batteries and multiple attachments. Very much worth it. Number 2. POPULO 20V Cordless Buffer Polisher. Get ready to experience effortless car detailing. This cordless polisher offers superior performance and convenience. It features 7 adjustable speeds, from 2000 to 4800 RPM, allowing for precise polishing for various tasks. The LCD screen clearly displays the selected speed. Weighing only 4.62 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. The versatile grip design ensures fatigue-free operation from any angle. This kit comes with everything you need: a powerful 4.0 Ah battery, polishing pads, and microfiber cloths. You'll be ready to polish, wax, and buff like a pro. The brushless motor provides long-lasting power and performance, and the cordless design gives you the freedom to move around your vehicle easily. It's designed for a smooth, even finish, preventing paint damage. The innovative eccentric shaft ensures even wear and a superior polish. What we like. Its lightweight and ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during use. The multiple grip options allow for comfortable handling from any angle. If you prioritize comfort and control while polishing, this is the polisher for you. What people say. The stock pads aren't amazing, but you'll need to buy extras anyways. Put your money into pads and good compound polish and you can get great results. Feels a little heavy when using on the side of the vehicle, but its maneuverability makes up for that. Well built and very powerful. I've always detailed my cars and motorcycle by myself and I've used a good amount of different equipment. I was a little hesitant on getting a battery-powered one, but I'm surprisingly satisfied with it. Number 1. Takuoo Cordless Car Buffer. It boasts 2 powerful 21V batteries, providing extended use and superior performance compared to standard 12V models. Enjoy up to 6 to 8 hours of cordless polishing on a single charge. This polisher features a high-performance brushless motor reaching 5,500 RPM. 6 adjustable speed settings let you customize the polishing process for a perfect finish every time. It's incredibly lightweight and cordless, making it easy to use anywhere. Say goodbye to cumbersome cords and enjoy the freedom of wireless polishing. With various attachments included, it's perfect for cars, furniture, and more. Use it to polish paint, remove scratches, and restore your surfaces to their former glory. The dual-action design is user-friendly, even for beginners. It prevents overheating and protects your car's finish with its randomized orbital motion. A built-in battery indicator keeps you informed of the remaining power. You'll always know when it's time for a recharge. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started, plus it makes a thoughtful gift for car enthusiasts. It comes with a variety of polishing pads and accessories. What we like. This polisher features a high-performance battery for extended use and a powerful motor for superior performance. The 6 speed settings allow for precise control over the polishing process. If you demand professional-level results and long-lasting power, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It's perfect for buffing water-based clears, and handles detail and properly wet-sanded paint as well. Battery holds up way better than expected. Works well, cordless is very handy. Used it once so far. Battery lasted a full wax on a Honda Accord. Accessories are everything you need to detail your car a couple times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.